The sling on the Warrior wing is universal, one size fits most, and is easily adjustable. To begin adjustment, release the front buckles on the shoulder strap, located where the strap attaches to forearm cuff on sling. Unattach the thumb strap and forearm strap to completely open the sling. The sling length can be adjusted by removing the forearm cuff section and reapplying in the desired position for an optimal fit. Attach the forearm cuff towards the elbow pocket to make the sling shorter and away from the elbow pocket to make the sling longer. To apply, place the affected arm in the sling so it rests comfortably in the fold of the sling. Ensure the patient's elbow is seated as far back in the fold pocket as possible and the sling extends to the first joint of the pinky finger. Reattach the forearm strap and the thumb strap on the sling. Position the shoulder strap over the non-affected shoulder. Adjust the pad for patient comfort. Reattach the front buckles on the shoulder strap to the receiving buckle attachment located on the forearm cuff of the sling. The front shoulder strap length may be adjusted by removing Y-tab ends and trimming the strap. Reapply the Y-tab ends after trimming. To apply the aluminum abduction frame, align the frame at waistline on the patient's affected side. Bend the frame to contour around the patient's body. Attach the arm sling to the top of the aluminum frame by securing the hook and loop portions together. Place the waist strap around the patient and fasten buckle. Adjust the length as necessary by pulling the waist strap tightly. If the strap is too long, remove Y-tab at the end of the strap and trim the strap to the desired length. To position the patient's arm in external fixation, release the top of the frame from the hook and loop and bend outward. Readjust to desired position. To position the patient's arm in airplane abduction, open the abduction hinge by removing the hook strap from the hinge. Insert one of the foam blocks underneath the frame and reapply the hook strap. Airplane abduction can achieve varying degrees using different triangular foam blocks included with the device. Exercise ball is included to promote proper circulation and to encourage exercise.